Welcome to Doggo.jl, your home for wholesome Julia tutorials. In order to download Julia onto your computer, start by going to the website julialang.org/downloads. As of this recording, the latest stable release version of Julia is version 1.9.3. Julia releases an updated version several times a year, so whenever you're watching this video, download the latest stable release. Select the installer for your operating system. In my case, I'm using a desktop computer running Windows 11, so I'm using the Windows 64-bit installer. Clicking on the link will download an installer executable file onto your hard drive. You can save this installer file anywhere, but by default, it will probably be saved in your Downloads folder. I saved my installer file onto my desktop so you can see it on my screen. Double-click on this file and follow the instructions. This is optional, but here, check the box to add Julia to Path. Checking this box will let you use Julia from your terminal. I'll show you what that means in another chapter. After the installation is complete, you should see a desktop icon with the Julia logo. If you see this icon, then congratulations! You have just installed Julia onto your computer. This is what is known as a REPL, which is spelled R-E-P-L. REPL stands for Read, Eval, Print, Loop. Eval is short for Evaluate. So the REPL reads your code, evaluates it, prints the appropriate response, and then waits for you to type in a new line of code. Thus read, eval, print, loop. The REPL will let you use Julia interactively. In the next chapter, you'll learn how to use the REPL, and you'll write your first line of code using Julia.